Let's start with how to choose squishy gel. Go Crystal Flex for see-through, Soft Cream for ultra-slow rising, or Classic Taba for an easy start. Then pick your pigments. Use dye for bright or translucent effects, quick dry paste for fast piping and painting, and regular paste for solid colors with more working time. The box itself is packed with info. A full color chart, how to use tips, and photo demos are printed right on the packaging. Open the box, flip the guide. Yup, it's that simple. Use dye for bright or translucent effects. Perfect for clear or classic squishies. Need solid color? Try classic slime gel with color paste, and adjust the color little by little. It doesn't dry quickly, so beginners can adjust it slowly. "36 colors for painting, icing, piping or fruity jam vibes." Pour A&B of the soft cream gel into a new cup. Keep the weight gap under 0.5 grams so it cures right. Stir for at least 30 seconds. Make sure to scrape the bottom and sides of the cup. Any unmixed glue can cause curing failure or harm your mold. Pour 50 grams into each of the 3 cups. Use a stick to guide it. Way fewer bubbles and no sticky mess. Add 3 pumps of thick color paste into each cup, then stir well for about 3 minutes until fully blended. Use a separate stick for each color so they don't mix. Pour and wait. It sets in about 2 hours. Keep away from steam and oil. Pop it out and dust on some mochi powder. It keeps things dry, non-sticky, and gives that frosted cake look. Just make sure both sides are evenly coated for a smooth finish. Mix 2 pumps of thick color paste with 50 grams of soft cream squishy gel. Stir for about 2 minutes until smooth. Let it thicken until stretchy, like melted cheese. Stack the 2 cake layers, then pipe the cream on top for that perfect drippy glaze. Add the top layer to finish the stack and give it that realistic, fluffy cake shape. Mix 50 grams of soft cream gel with 3 pumps of color paste. Let it sit 16–20 minutes until it's soft and spreadable. Like frosting, scoop 2/3 into a piping bag and spread with a spoon. Once you've finished spreading the frosting, check the remaining mix. If it's thick and pipeable like whipped cream, pop it into a piping bag with a tip, and pipe a ring around the top edge of the cake. Top with squishy berries, then add your favorite extras. Sprinkles, fruit, charms. Make it yours. Mix 20 grams of cream gel with 1–2 pumps of thick color paste. Let it thicken until stringy, then pipe it over the cake for a syrupy drizzle effect. Do the same with chocolate. How to choose squishy gel. "15 grams each of Part A and Part B glue. Mix them evenly, pour into a cat's paw mold, and let it cure. Apply mold release cream in the set. Place the bottle in the middle of the cat's paw mold and pour in the glue. Pour shaker oil into the groove. Add glitter flakes and sprinkle a small amount of glitter around. Apply the evenly mixed glue around the outer edge of the groove. Just black this time. Bold, clean, and deep. Pour it in for that spacey, high contrast vibe. For a slow rising effect, play it in the bag, avoid add-ins to maximize the slow rebound. The more part B is added, the slower the rebound. We do not recommend exceeding a 1 to 1.58 B ratio as it may become difficult to cure or hold shape properly. Apply a thin layer of mold release cream. It protects your mold, prevents silicone residue, and makes demolding easy. Add half a drop of thick black paste. Mix it real good. Fill the eyes and mouth with a stick. Then clean the edges with a swab. Keep it under a half drop. Extra paste clings to the walls and won't flow down. Pour 40 grams of part A and 52 grams of part B into a cup. This 1 to 1.3 ratio gives a softer, squishier feel with an extra slow rebound. Add 20 pump of color paste. Stir it in. Pour and wait. It sets in about 3 hours. Release in water. Loosen the edges first, then flip and peel from the bottom. Go slow, go gentle. Take your time. Dry it off real quick, then mix 2 grams of part A and 2 grams of part B. Simple 1 to 1 ratio. Add 2 drops of chocolate color, stir it in nice and smooth. Now just dab a bit on both ends of the banana. Wipe off any extra with a tissue or swab. Let it sit and cure. Done. 150 grams A, 195 grams B. Mix well, 1 to 1.3 ratio. Add 10 drops white. Stir it up. Add 10 drops yellow. Stir it up. Pour and wait. It sets in about 3 hours. Mix 10 grams of A and 10 grams of B. 1 to 1 ratio. Add 10 drops of yellow thick color paste in a mixture and stir well. Let it sit for a bit till it thickens. That helps it stick better to the edges. Then brush it around the toast and let it cure. Assemble the banana and toast, add some cute extras, and you're all set! To get a softer, stretchier texture, add a bit more part B. But don't exceed 1 to 1.5. Mix A and B silicone thoroughly in a cup. Add white pigment, stir well, and tap gently to release bubbles. 1 drop of platinum cuts curing time by 30-50. Pour, wait 2 hours and pop it out. No skills needed. Add a blush of pink to the ears and nose, then pop on the eyes with a dab of silicone glue. Roll it in flocking powder. Instant fluff.